Hello, beautiful. Welcome to iHeart Kenya. My name is Gail. If you're all about doing your makeup on a budget, then you landed on the right page. For today's look, we have this simple, soft brown, smoky eye look. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going in with my transition shade. That's a light brown shade that's close to my skin tone. Then I'm going to go in with a cool brown shade just to deepen the outer corner. Then I'm going to pack on this beautiful rose gold shimmer shade on my lid, and then I'm going to use a little bit of black eyeshadow to define my upper lash line. Once that is done, I'm going to take a little bit of a dark brown eyeshadow to bring some depth to the outer corner of my eye, and that will be it for this eye look. Simple yet classy. Let me know if you would try this out. Now that our eyes are done, let's move on to the base. The foundation I'm using is from Maybelline, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with this foundation plus concealer stick from Office to brighten my under eye and any high points in my face. Make sure to use the same brush or beauty blender that you used for your foundation to blend out all the harsh lines so that you're left with a seamless finish. Blending is key to achieve the perfect, flawless makeup finish, so take your time. Once our base is done, it's time to set the face and move on to our lips. I'm using the Davis No. 10 lip pencil to line my lips. And for that defined look, I'm going to go in with my black lip pencil and just trace out the outline of my lips. The result is a crisp and well-defined lip. And for the icing on the cake, I'm going in with this brown lip gloss I got from the drugstore. And I added a little bit of orange gloss for that oomph. So that's it for the look, guys. Let me know what you thought of it, if you would try it out, and also let me know on the comment section down below of any other look that you would like me to try out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all next time. Cheers!